for news. And it is all about adding a stream marker. Let me see. There you go. It's all about this company called Sunworks. Sunworks Inc. And you may be wondering, what the heck is Sunworks all about? Well, Sunworks, through its subsidiaries, provides photovoltaic-based power systems for the agricultural, commercial, industrial, public works, and residential markets in California, Massachusetts, Nevada, Oregon, New Jersey, and Washington. The company also designs, finances, integrates, installs, and manages systems ranging in size from 2 kilowatt for residential loads to multi-megawatt systems for larger products. In addition, it offers a range of installation services, including design, system engineering, procurement, permitting, construction, grid connection, warranty, system monitoring, and maintenance services to its solar energy customers. The company was formerly known as Solar 3D Inc. and changed its name to Sunworks Inc. in March 2016. Sunworks Inc. was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in Roseville, California. And here is the article that I pulled out for Sunworks. And let's see over here. SUNW stock is soaring. Here is why. Let's see why, man. Sunworks shares are trading higher at 116, and the average recommendation for the stock is hold. To add more color to this target, the company's high over the last year is $4.10, and the low is 29 cents. Over the last 52 weeks, Sunworks is down negative 53%, while the S&P 500 is up 9.05%. The catalyst for this interesting swing was the company's recent earnings report. A notable earnings report. In the last quarter, SUNW reported a profit of $1.66 million. Sunworks also saw revenues increase to $9.67 million. In addition, Sunworks has free cash flow of negative $4.13 million as of 06/2020. The company's EBITDA came in at negative $1.01 million, which compares well with its peers. Sunworks booked profit margins of negative 23.7%. Its return on equity is negative 148.8%, and its return of assets is negative 44.7%. All told, it is clear that Sunworks needs to be on your watch list. Of course, we must look beyond the financials and questions how well those numbers represent the sustainable earnings power of the business. Investors need to know how sustainable this current run. Sunworks has a short ratio of 0.10 and outstanding shares of 16.63 million. Company outlook. Sunworks has been increased volume after this news, and investors are putting their support behind the value proposition. Furthermore, 10-day volume stands at 2.71 million, and more growth is possible in the week ahead. Traders will also note the company's earnings per share came in at negative 1.39. Sunworks also noted assets of $25.6 million at the end of the last quarter. Investors should also keep an eye on sector updates on Sunworks has historically followed its peers on positive news. All told, Sunworks has strung together solid data and demonstrated underlying fundamentals. At its current valuation, Sunworks represents an interesting risk-reward case. Traders should stay tuned to see if this recent report will push the stock to test recent resistance levels. And Sunworks is now commanding a market cap of $17.96 million and a float of $16.54 million. Sunworks is increasing its credibility in this sector, and that could lead to more upside down the line. Let's see SUNW. Biggie. Can you see that we're going to look at some worky Sunworks, ladies and gentlemen. Holy motherfuckers. Guys, look at that. Sunworks making moves pre-market. Holy motherfucker, guys. This is an insane. We went higher and higher. Let me go ahead and show you something real quick, guys, on the weekly, so you have a good perspective of what is happening with Sunworks. There is a lot of resistance over here at 1364, even at 730. Let me go ahead and add some levels over here. Perfect structure. Oh my goodness, this already has been making moves. The monthly, let's look over here at the monthly. Sunworks, guys, Sunworks. Look at that. What an intense move. Look at that, long term. Let's see. More resistance levels. More resistance levels. More resistance levels. Look at that. The IPO, boom, $1,000. What the heck? And then it just went down to become a penny stock. And when you're investing in a penny stock, remember, always use disposable income. But this is an interesting case, guys. Sunworks broke this resistance not only once, but twice. It already has made the move to $5.31. That's 235%. Insane for Sunworks. I think that there is a slight chance for this one to retrace a little bit. If you understand the business, if you like the business, I mean, you can get in, but it's still a penny stock, $5.30. That is an insane move already, guys. 235%. Oh my goodness, from $1, guys, from $1 yesterday, already at $5.30. Let me know if you want me to keep tracking Sunworks. If you do, go ahead and like this video. If you don't, just go ahead and dislike it. And if you have lost money, go ahead and dislike it. If you're a hater, go ahead and dislike it. It's like doing a Kamehameha. I don't mind if you don't like the videos, but let us know that you don't like it. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
And The Rock has a message before.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass!
Thank you, Rock. I was going to say that The Rock has a message before we reviewed your favorite symbols, because we are done with the news. Even though there's more news, guys, let me tell you, there's quite a bit of news in Seeking Alpha. Let me see over here in the chat room.